The pentatonic scale is the foundation of almost every great guitar solo ever recorded, but most guitarists are only using about 10% of its potential. I've put together a 10-minute pentatonic workout with some of the best melodic patterns used by guitar legends like Zakk Wylde, Randy Rhoads, Eric Johnson, Nuno Bettencourt, and others. These exercises will sharpen your technique and seriously improve your melodic sense. If it's your first time here, I'm Rodrigues. I'm a professional musician and guitar teacher for over 30 years. On this channel, you will find everything from guitar lessons, gear reviews, to music theory, and everything related to music. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all the new videos notifications. A lot of beginner guitar players underestimate how useful the pentatonic scale really is. The truth is, it's not just about memorizing shapes. The real magic happens when you start playing melodic patterns over those shapes. That's what builds your technique and your ear at the same time. All the patterns in this workout are in the key of A minor, and the tabs will be available on the screen. The first one is pretty straightforward. It's played in groups of 3 strings and it repeats as you move through the scale. You will hear Zakk Wylde use this all the time in his solos. This next one is a Randy Rhoads pattern. You can hear it in Mr. Crowley and many of his other solos. It's actually easier than it looks, but there's one thing you need to pay close attention to. Your picking hand. When you move down to the next string, you need to hit it with an upstroke. If upstrokes are still giving you trouble, I made a video recently that walks you through exactly how to fix that. I would recommend watching it before practicing this exercise. The link is in the descriptions. If your upstrokes are solid, let's keep going. This one is played in groups of 4 notes, and you recognize it from a lot of Eric Johnson solos. This next pattern is with string skipping. You can play it with alternate picking, legato, or mix them like Nuno Bettencourt does. Quick break before we continue. If you want to improve your guitar playing, make sure to check out my Guitar Academy website. I have ebooks and online courses for all levels, and this month they are at a very special price. Visit www.rrguitaracademy.com. The link is also in the description. This one is one of my personal favorites, and you will hear it come up a lot in my own solos. It's a 6-note pattern played in a 16th notes, or in other words, playing 4 notes per beat. I normally play it with hybrid picking, but I will demonstrate it with alternate picking first. This last one is played horizontally across 2 strings. I'm showing it on the first 2 strings here, but I really encourage you to take it across all the other strings. It opens up a whole new way of seeing the neck. How to practice. Always use a metronome or a backing track. You can find tons of great backing tracks on YouTube. And don't just practice one scale shape. Go through all 5 shapes. That's the key. This workout might take longer than 10 minutes actually if you go through every pattern in every shape all at once. That's totally fine. You can break it up, work on 1 exercise per day across all shapes, or focus on 1 shape per day. Either approach works. But here's the most important thing. Don't get stuck on just 1 shape. If you only ever practice in 1 position, you'll fall behind in your progress. Make sure you are covering all of them. One more thing. If you're playing with alternate picking, keep an eye on your picking hand and make sure you're not building any bad habits. Slow it down if you need to. Getting it right at a slow tempo is always better than getting it wrong at full speed. Don't forget to leave your comment, like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn more about me or my private lessons, please check my website at www.rodrigues.net. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.